Hello, dear students. Today, we will do exercise 1.3, question 3. A rectangle has sides of length 2 plus root 18 meter and 5 minus 4 by root 2 meters. Express the area of the rectangle in the form a plus b root 2, where a and b are integers. First, write given data. Length of rectangle is 2 plus root 18 meters. Width of rectangle is 5 minus 4 by root 2 meters. And we have to find area in the given form. For this, use the formula of area, length cross width. Put the values of length and width in it. इन दोनों values को multiply करना है. 2 into 5 10, 2 into 4 8, 5 root 18 and 4 root 18. Next, 18 के factors write कर लो, जो 9 और 2 है. फिर root 9 की जगह दोनों बार 3 लिख देंगे. Then, 5 into 3, 15 और root 2 से cancel. Now, 10 minus 12 की जगह minus 2 लिखना है. Then, root 2 का LCM लेना है. minus 8 ऐसे a आ जाएगा और 15 root 2 की जगह 15 root square आ जाएगा. Square root से cancel, 15 cross 2 30. Then, minus 8 plus 30 becomes 22. Again, root 2 का LCM. minus 2 root से multiply और 22 ऐसे a रहेगा. Here, minus 2 is common. 2 की जगह root 2 into root 2 लिखना है, because it's a universal fact. Then root 2 से cancel. Remaining, root 2, 11 minus root 2 से multiply करके, we got answer. Students, please subscribe the channel if you find this video helpful.